As the adoption of electric trucks continues to grow worldwide, efficient charging management has become a key priority for fleet owners. Renault Trucks introduces Optifleet CHARGE, a service designed to simplify and secure electric vehicle charging. This service ensures vehicles are charged when needed by assisting customers with charging schedules and providing alerts if a fault occurs. Thanks to our partnerships, scanning the QR code directly on the charging station allows for seamless station registration. With Optifleet CHARGE, you can connect your electric trucks and charging stations in a user-friendly system designed to optimize your daily operations. Gain a comprehensive overview of your fleet and charging stations. Easily schedule charging sessions. Access detailed reports for each charging session. Receive proactive guidance on potential issues and enjoy secure and authorized charging. And you can benefit from real-time power data view.
Renault Trucks has used the full potential of the Volvo Group to develop a unique service including both truck and charging supervision. Our customers will be able to manage their energy consumption, secure uptime, and optimize their complete total cost of ownership.